jackpot. We're down here, but we found a heart crystal, a gold chest, an extractinator, and some cobwebs. And what cobwebs are actually useful for is you can use them to make necro armor, which is a pre-hard mode but post-skeletron ranger set. So yeah, it's crafted with bones and cobwebs. So cobwebs are actually useful. It provides quite a bit of defense, but it requires a lot of cobwebs and bones. But I did find another life crystal, as you guys saw, so that's good. Okay, so we found a band of regeneration, but it's arcane, so which means it gives me another mana star, so it's not the best for a range player. We got 16 bombs, some healing potions, some recall potions, and some torches. So that's really, really good stuff. And an extractinator, but still looking for a way to get to it. Oh, here we are. Alright, so I'm gonna just continue doing this. No. It's all going wrong. They're swarming me. And I've got like a little bracelet on. Of course I have. Alright guys, so I was mining and I was just like continuing I was continuing this and I saw mud here, so I thought it was the jungle, but actually what I ended up coming across was this here mushroom biome. And there's a cabin there, so I want to take a quick look in it. Not like there's going to be some kind of like new mushroom bow or anything, which would be really, really cool, but sadly not a thing. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a bit of mining until I can get to there, and I'll see you guys in just a second. Whoa. 19 bombs. Some lead, recall, archery potion, some torches, lesser healing potions, wooden arrows, and a band of regeneration. I guess I can sell it or just, yeah, I guess I can sell it. And we got a piranha statue, and if you look over here real closely, you can see that we've got another cabin right there, which is pretty useful. Also, something I want to get is glowing mushroom seeds. Hey, look. There's a heart statue up there as well. But anyways, something I'd like to get are the glowing mushroom seeds. That way I can like farm for glowing mushrooms, because you can actually use these glowing mushrooms to make healing potions, I'm pretty sure. Or like, I don't know. There's some kind of healing potion you can make with glowing mushrooms. Ooh, I actually didn't notice this, but I have some mushroom grass seeds. And I'd like to get this cobweb as well for when we can make a necro armor. And here we are in the second cabin on screen. We've got an enchanted boomerang, always useful. Some silver bars, some wooden arrows, some healing potions, some hunter potions, some recalls, and some torches. And a statue there, but I don't need it. Oh, here is another detonator. This time let's use it. Got us a bunch of tin, but we don't really need it. Got us some topaz as well. Good. Ooh, amethyst. Let's get rid of some mandibles. There's a rail here as well. Also, I can hear a salamander or something like that. Some more amethyst. One second. Okay guys, so I found another emerald. And I think this is the last one I need to be making my hook. Oh, another cabin. No. Black slime, why? Why you do that? Ah, no. Ah, what are they called? Hoplite. Hoplite. God damn it. Hoplite. Where are you? Oh, darn it. How come they're so accurate? Oh well, I should be able to make a hook now, which is pretty good. Ah, no. Ah. Home sweet home. Okay. My emeralds are nowhere to be seen. Maybe they're in here. Oh, then now I have 13, but this should be enough. Alright, I have almost just enough to make an amethyst hook, which is a little bit worse than a grappling hook, but I'll take it. Oh, I forgot to consume this as well. Ooh, and I can make me some platinum bars.